All right, good morning. You probably knew that this was going to happen. I just pulled the Char Griller into the garage to replace hardware. The included cheapo, soft Chinese hardware that comes with like 99% of the stuff that is made over there is basically crap. You can already see it's stripping. Most of them did, and I yanked them out. So I had a ton of quarter 20 and other hardware that I just put on this grill. Grade 5. I got nylocks down here, and for up here, those lock nuts that have grooves in them so they bite into the metal. And as you can see right over there, I didn't have enough bolts and hardware to finish that side, which will be just like this. But all of them, the legs, everything got the treatment, especially the inside. Much, much better. You can crank down hard on these kind of bolts and not worry about them. But like these, as you can see, look at that shit. It's already stripped. That was just initial install. What the heck ever. But yeah, this is going to be a great grill. Great grill. Ready to go. Thanks for watching.